Firefighters say in some cases, flames could swallow an entire home in under 10 minutes. So once those flames ignite, you're on the clock.
Oshtemo Fire Chief Mark Barnes says flames don't discriminate. As time ticks away, so do your chances of getting out alive.
Well, we don't want any of our citizens to be killed, my goodness.
91, do you want me to redeploy?
So his team practices. Instructors set this home on fire. Let the flames take over, and then let the firefighters go at it. They're practicing on an older home, built with more dense materials. The home was also empty. Chief Barnes says if you're going to have a fire, this is the best case scenario, and an impossible one to expect.
The contents of today are not made of natural products and wool and fabrics of before. It's petrochemical based, everything pretty much is.
In the controlled fire, it took the flames more than half an hour to engulf the home. Barnes says that used to be the norm. He says today firefighters are lucky to get to a scene before the flames are all over. And it's partly because of what's inside. Your furniture, appliances are made with synthetic materials, fuel for fire sitting in every room of your house, ready to burn off toxic gases once the flames and heat hit.
It's oil-based, and so a phrase we use is it's just solid gasoline. So as soon as it heats, it combusts, and it burns much hotter and much, much faster than it ever used to.
Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, Firefighter Safety Research Institute conducted this experiment where a room with older furniture and one with modern furnishings are lit up at the same time. The results illustrate clearly what Barnes is talking about. In the modern room, flashover hits at just under 4 minutes. The older room nearly makes that half-hour mark the chief says is becoming a thing of the past.
The bottom line is that they burn much faster and much hotter than they ever used to, so time is so critical.
Barnes says hotter is just as important as faster because it's changed how aggressive firefighters are when they arrive on scene. The heat puts crews at risk and weakens homes much faster, especially homes built more recently.
The lighter weight building materials are less expensive than the older materials, but unfortunately they decay and they burn much faster. So we have floor collapses quicker than we ever used to have. We can't always enter as fast as we used to be able to.
UL found firefighters used to have 30 minutes to save your home. Now they have 10 if they're lucky. Your family may only have less than 5 minutes to get outside before smoke and flames make things deadly.
First sign of smoke, just get out of the house. I know it's very precious. It's very precious to all of us, but your life is even more precious. You get out and get your family with you.
Chief Barnes says there are ways to protect yourself. First, Edith, exit drills in the home. Practice them, develop them. Also, smoke detectors are a must. The chief says also close your doors at night to your bedrooms before going to bed. All of that should buy you time to escape. George Rodas, News Channel 3.